Hey, what's up everyone? Sean here, and welcome to another new video where we talk about random fun facts about everything in life. Now, in this video, we're going to be going through the Chunnel, and we'll go through all the facts about it. And before I begin with everything, of course, just as a preface, as always, I pull all these facts from Google for sourcing and accuracy for that part of it. If I can't pronounce a word, I will do my best to sound it out for you guys, or I will spell it out for you guys letter by letter for hopefully for good enough context to make sense for you guys. And of course, some of these facts may be just common sense facts, but they're still facts. And at the end of the day, we're all learning here. And again, that's why I enjoy these videos, because I'm always learning new things about everything that I search and present to you guys as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it with a bunch of random facts about the Chunnel. Here we go. The Channel Tunnel is often called the Chunnel. The Chunnel connects England and France. It runs beneath the English Channel. The tunnel links the United Kingdom and mainland Europe. The Chunnel officially opened in 1994. I thought it was actually a lot older than that, but cool, 1994. It was one of the largest engineering projects of the 20th century. The tunnel stretches for about 50.5 kilometers or 31.4 miles. About 37.9 kilometers or 23.5 miles of the tunnel are underwater. It is one of the world's longest undersea tunnels. The tunnel has 3 parallel tunnels. 2 tunnels carry trains. The third tunnel is a service tunnel. The service tunnel is smaller than the rail tunnels. Cross passages connect the service tunnel to the rail tunnels. Cross passages improve emergency access. The tunnel passes beneath the seabed, not the open water. The deepest section is about 75 meters or 246 feet below the seabed. The tunnel is entirely used by trains. Cars do not drive through the tunnel on roads. Vehicles travel through the tunnel aboard shuttle trains. Passengers usually remain inside their vehicles during shuttle trips. Passenger rail services also use the tunnel. Freight trains travel through the tunnel daily. The tunnel operates year-round. It functions in nearly all weather conditions. Construction began in 1988. The project took about 6 years to complete. Thousands of workers helped build the tunnel. Tunnel boring, B-O-R-I-N-G, boring machines excavated most of the route. 11 giant boring machines were used during construction. Each boring machine advanced gradually through chalk marl, M-A-R-L. Chalk marl was chosen because it is relatively stable. Millions of cubic meters of earth were excavated. Excavated material from the British side was reused. Some excavated chalk became part of the nature reserve. Workers tunneled from both England and France. The two sides met beneath the English Channel. Surveying accuracy was essential. Engineers aligned the tunnels with remarkable precision. The tunnel breakthrough occurred in 1990. Laser surveying helped guide construction. Modern computers assisted engineers. Concrete lining supports the tunnel walls. Waterproof systems help prevent leaks. Drainage systems remove groundwater. Ventilation systems maintain air quality. Pumps remove water continuously. Safety systems operate around the clock. Maintenance occurs regularly. Inspections help ensure safe operation. Passenger trains travel at high speeds through the tunnel. High-speed rail significantly reduces travel times. Shuttle trains transport cars. Shuttle trains also carry buses. Large trucks cross using freight shuttles. Motorcycles can travel through the tunnel. RVs and camper vans can use shuttle services. Freight trains carry cargo between countries. Excuse me. International passenger trains stop at major cities. The tunnel supports international trade. It also supports tourism. Millions of passengers use the tunnel every year. Millions of vehicles also cross annually. Freight volumes vary throughout the year. Holiday seasons increase passenger demand. Advanced reservations are often recommended. Shuttle terminals include customs facilities. Border checks occur before departure. Security screening is required. Passports are required for international travel. Customs procedures differ by traveler. Freight vehicles undergo inspections. Dangerous goods have special transport rules. Certain cargoes are restricted. Emergency response teams are stationed nearby. The service tunnel can be used during emergencies. Emergency doors connect the tunnels. Fire detection systems operate continuously. Smoke control systems improve safety. Emergency lighting is installed throughout. Communication systems run the length of the tunnel. CCTV cameras monitor operations. Operators monitor traffic 24 hours a day. Trains communicate with control centers. Maintenance trains inspect the infrastructure. Track inspections occur frequently. Rail maintenance is scheduled carefully. Overnight work minimizes disruption. Specialized equipment cleans the tunnel. Water pumps are regularly tested. Electrical systems require constant monitoring. Backup power systems improve reliability. Computer systems coordinate operations. Weather rarely interrupts tunnel service. Strong storms affect ferry travel more than tunnel operations. The tunnel provides an alternative to ferries. Air travel is another alternative. Rail travel can reduce city center travel times. Many travelers choose rail for convenience. Business travelers frequently use the tunnel. There we go. Families also travel through the tunnel. School groups sometimes visit the terminals. Engineers study the tunnel as a major infrastructure project. Universities discuss it in engineering courses. It required international cooperation. British and French teams worked together. The project involved thousands of contractors. Financing came largely from private investment. Construction costs exceeded early estimates. The project faced engineering challenges. Water pressure was carefully managed. Geological surveys guided planning. Engineers selected the safest route. Environmental studies were conducted. Marine life was considered during planning. Noise levels were monitored during construction. Tunnel construction generated large amounts of data. Precision surveying to reduce alignment errors. Construction safety standards were extensive. Workers received specialized training. Protective equipment was mandatory. Shift work continued around the clock. Large machinery operated underground. Tunnel boring machines were custom built. Machine maintenance was critical. There we go. Tunnel boring machines used rotating cutter heads. Conveyor systems removed excavated material. Concrete segments lined the tunnels. Heavy cranes handled tunnel components. Rail tracks were installed after excavation. Electrical cables run throughout the tunnel. Fiber optic communications support operations. Ventilation equipment operates continuously. Drainage channels collect groundwater. Fire-resistant materials improve safety. Engineers monitor tunnel movement. Sensors detect structural changes. Regular inspections verify tunnel integrity. Track geometry is carefully measured. High-speed trains require smooth tracks. Wheel and rail maintenance reduces wear. Temperature inside the tunnel remains relatively stable. Humidity is monitored. Lighting assists maintenance crews. Radio communication works underground. Specialized rescue vehicles are available. Emergency exercises are held regularly. Staff receive ongoing safety training. International coordination supports operations. Operational procedures are regularly updated. Do a few more here. The tunnel strengthened trade between Britain and Europe. It made international rail travel more practical. Tourism increased after the tunnel opened. Businesses gained faster transport options. Freight delivery times became more predictable. Fresh food can move quickly through the tunnel. Manufacturing industries benefit from rail freight. Logistics companies rely on the route. Supply chains use the tunnel daily. Holiday traffic creates busy periods. Weekend travel is often popular. High-speed rail connects multiple European cities. International rail networks extend beyond France. Rail travel produces different emissions than air travel. The tunnel is considered critical infrastructure. It has inspired documentaries. It appears in television programs. It has been featured in films. Books have been written about its construction. Engineering museums discuss the project. Students study its design. Surveyors admire its precision. It represents a milestone in civil engineering. The tunnel continues to evolve with technology. Modern upgrades improve efficiency. The tunnel operates every day of the year. Maintenance is planned to minimize service interruptions. Digital monitoring helps detect problems early. Engineers continuously improve safety systems. Train schedules are carefully coordinated. Delays can affect international travel. Freight and passenger services share the infrastructure. Cross-border cooperation remains essential. The tunnel supports economic connections. It also strengthens cultural exchange. Many travelers use it for day trips. It allows direct rail travel between countries. Crossing the tunnel takes about 35 minutes on shuttle trains. Passenger high-speed trains spend roughly 20 minutes inside the tunnel. The tunnel eliminated the need for a sea crossing on this route. It remains one of Europe's busiest international rail links. It has received numerous engineering awards. The project demonstrated the possibilities of international collaboration. Continuous maintenance keeps the tunnel operating safely. The tunnel has become an iconic transportation landmark. It changed how millions of people travel between Britain and continental Europe. It remains one of the world's greatest tunnel engineering achievements. The tunnel continues to play a vital role in international transportation. Engineers around the world study its design and operation. Alright, so there's a bunch of fun random facts about the tunnel. And I actually have written on it, and it's really, really interesting of a ride because you know you're underwater, but it is a lot of fun to ride, just even at least one time in your lifetime. So I hope you guys enjoyed all the fun facts about it. As always, comment below anything that you would like to see in the future videos, if at all. If you enjoyed the video at all or learned anything at all from it, then give it a big thumbs up. And of course, subscribe for more fun random facts and knowledge about life. Thanks for watching as always, and I will see you all in the next one.